Hey tech enthusiasts, are you on the hunt for that perfect phone? A device that packs the power of a monster but won't brutally murder your wallet? If the answer is a resounding yes, then buckle up. Because a storm is brewing in the smartphone market. Nokia, that's right friends, Nokia is set to unleash a phone that will send every other competitor packing. We're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. This isn't just a name, it's a promise. A promise of a camera with DSLR level quality, get this 200 megapixels, and a battery so monstrous, that its 8000 mAh power will give you 2-3 days of absolute freedom from the charging cable. So, if you're ready to get your hands on this absolute beast of a smartphone, you need to watch this video right till the very end. Because today, we're spilling all the beans, the full leaked features, the price, and the launch date of this incredible device. So let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the window to your digital world, the display. You're getting a massive 6.86-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED panel. OLED, that means colors so vibrant, so alive, you won't believe your eyes. But the real magic is the 144Hz refresh rate. Whether it's heavy-duty gaming or just scrolling through social media, everything will be butter smooth. This is flagship-level experience, right here. And for protection, you've got the steel-like defense of Gorilla Glass 6, an IP69 rating, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Ultimate security, ultimate looks. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the true game changer. The camera. This phone is nothing short of a festival for camera lovers. It sports a quad camera setup. And the main sensor. Are you ready for this? A whopping 200 megapixels. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. Friends, that's not just a number, that's pure, unadulterated DSLR quality. Alongside it, you get a 50 megapixel ultrawide, a 16 megapixel telephoto, and a 10 megapixel depth sensor. In selfies, take your selfie game to the next level with a stunning 50 megapixel front camera. Every click is now crystal clear. Performance. The powerhouse. Friends, the engine housed inside this phone is nothing short of a rocket. It's fueled by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor. This chip isn't just going to make this phone super fast, it'll make it ultra super fast. You can dive into heavy gaming, push the limits of multitasking, this phone will handle it all with a smile. In the operating system, get ready, the latest Android 16, that means the smoothest, most updated OS experience available. Battery backup. And now, the most crucial part, the battery. Because all these features are useless without the juice to run them. You get a monster 8000 mAh battery. This will comfortably last you 2 to 3 days. And when it's time to charge, no waiting around. You get 100-watt fast charging that will get you back to full power in mere minutes. Price and launch date. So now we come to the million-dollar question. How much will all these flagship features cost us? Friends, according to the leaks and estimations, this phone could be yours for around $990. In the launch date, the anticipation is that this phone will officially blast its way into the market in the beginning of 2026. We just have to hold on a little longer. So friends, what do you think of Nokia's absolute monster phone? Let us know your thoughts and excitement in the comment box below.